Dental decay is one of the most common oral health issues that people face around the world. When left to its own devices, it can lead to the gradual breakdown of the tooth structure, which can result in the loss of the tooth itself. Decay is caused by the bacteria found in plaque, as it feeds off starchy food particles. This results in the creation of acids that trigger a decalcification of the tooth. In order to treat a decayed tooth, your dentist will often recommend a bonded white filling as a restorative option. This includes a simple preparation process that involves the removal of the decayed tooth structure. The tooth is then prepared with a cleaning agent that ensures that the area is ready for an adhesive agent. The cleaning agent is then rinsed off and left to dry. As the adhesive agent is applied and hardened using a specialized blue light. The white filling material is then placed onto the prepared tooth. Shaped with special instruments, and cured to hardness using the specialized blue light. Final anatomical details and shaping of the filling are accomplished with a high-speed drill and special drill bits. White fillings are not only highly aesthetic, but their bond strength and compatibility with existing tooth structure make them a good choice as a restorative material.